Hello, my name's Alex McCarthy, and I'm going to read you an extract from my book, The Unbroken Beauty of Rosalind. The worst thing her nephew had done was marry that woman. It was her who put a stop to Mrs. Williams' little shifts up at his garage. She'd relied on those shifts. But the customers had loved her. Mrs. W, they called her. It was like the old days, when good service mattered. They'd sit in their cars while she filled up the tank. Didn't even have to get out to pay. That was a good setup. No suspicions raised. Her regulars would buy a $5's worth of petrol, give her a 20, and Mrs. W would reach into her pinafore and hand them back an eighth of hashish with the change. It was a beautiful thing. Then along came her nephew's new wife, Karen, with her plastic tits and a no-doubt fur-free minge, and the whole operation was kicked into touch. Oh yes, little Miss No-Knickers had seen through the poor old lady act right away, had told her straight, and Mrs. Williams had to hobble on back to her corner shop, with no idea how she would distribute her marijuana.